welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, what's good? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I blow dry my hair. I am type 4A, 4B for the ones who want to know. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I've been towel drying for about a couple hours now. If you have kids, you know that getting a task done all at once is nearly impossible. So here we are a couple hours later. Speaking of the kids, I am pumping milk during this video, so you know, baby gotta eat, so don't mind that. To start off, I'm gonna start off using these chunky twists to section my hair off into 4 sections. I find that it makes the process a little smoother for me.
Give me life, give me love.
I do like to split my sections into 2 subsections and clip the other piece away. This way I make sure I'm properly detangling and getting a good blow dry. And since my hair has been towel drying for some hours, it is a little drier than I like it to be, so I'm just going in with my spray bottle. Y'all never detangle or blow dry on dry hair. I then go in with the leave-in. Today I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. And y'all can't see, but I am also going to go in with my shea butter based leave-in as well. That stuff leaves my hair so soft and so moisturized, especially during a protective style, which I'm doing after this blow dry.
Give me life, give me love.
I work everything in with my unbrushed dupe to detangle my hair. Side note, I got this brush for $2, y'all, and it's the best $2 I ever spent. Anyways, when y'all are detangling y'all hair, please make sure to start from the ends and working your way up to the new growth. Also, I did just go in with a heat protectant. It's the Joico heat protectant. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. I do go in with my blow dryer using the medium heat and the cool shot when needed. I also use the comb attachment when blow drying. I just feel like it helps me cut at least some of the time off while drying.
Give me life, give me love.
I'm finally all done drying the section. I twist it up. I don't know about y'all, but if I blow dry my hair and just leave it, I feel like it wants to tangle back up almost immediately. So to avoid that, I just like to twist it up. It's looking like about halfway finished, and I'm just going to twist that side up as well and finish the rest.
Give me life, give me love.
Y'all, I was so tired at this point. I just wanted to go lay my butt down. It was hot. I just needed to go to sleep. After I'm all done, I do like to go in with the dryer once more, but on the cool setting. This just helps me seal those cuticles, and it helps my hair not do that revert and tangling thing that I mentioned earlier. Yeah, try this next time.
give me life, give me life.
So yeah, y'all will be seeing the finished look pretty soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, tell me what y'all would like to see in the comments down below, and I will see y'all in the next one.